Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Audio isn't as good. My mic is dead and I didn't realize it, and I've got time to film this video, so I want to film it. Before we get into this video, I want to say thank you so much to Waterdrop for sponsoring this video. And also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I chop my hair off, calling it the mom chop. Yeah, it's just Edna mode chic. So today I wanted to do a video about, like when you text your friends and you're like, what are we wearing today? There's like, we're looking like slobs, casual, cute top and jeans, and then like we're stepping out. Cute top and jeans is literally its own dress code, and I kind of want to show outfits. No, I want to show outfits that have the same dress code level as cute top and jeans and a cute top, however you say it, but aren't jeans and a cute top. So that's what we're showing today. This video is for the girls, by the girl. Let's do it.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, murder egg, murder egg.
I wanna love you, babe. I think I love you, babe. Oh, baby.
Ashanti, Ashanti. Chapter 2. Let's rock, let's rock.
Can you rock for me? Oh, baby. Can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you, baby. I'm thinking, over me, oh, baby. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock for me? Oh, baby. Rock for me. Take it to the top for me. I just wanna love you, baby. I'm thinking, baby. Over me, oh, baby. Over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. See, I don't know if I could handle you as just a friend. Oh, baby, I can't pretend. Oh, baby, I'm so far in. But I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh, baby, I'm satisfied. Even if you're not just mine. Can you rock for me? Oh, baby. Stop for me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby. Over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Loving, oh, baby. Me. I'll make it so you love me, baby. I'll make it so you loving me. Loving, oh, baby. Me. I'll make it so you love me, baby. I'll make it so you never leave. You make me wanna say, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. If you feel me, hear me say, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. Can you rock for me, oh, baby? I wanna rock with you. Just wanna love.
So I wanted to sit for a second and show you guys. If you guys been watching my channel for a minute, you guys know I've been really into like flavoring my water. I've got all of these different flavor packets from Waterdrop. So I wanted to show it to you guys. Finished one, so I just filled this up with water and we can drink another one. So I was really into this flavor called Shiro. You just push this right here, pop it open, and then this one's empty obviously because I finished it. But like this one, you've got all these little cubes inside that you just drop into your water. So I haven't tried this flavor yet, Glow, so let's do that together. Again, you just push it down, grab one of the little cubes. Let me get you down so you can see. I don't normally do it right here. But you just pop it open, get your water bottle, just cold water, and they have some that are hot water. Pop the little cube in, twist your cap on, shake it up. Ooh, this one smells really good. This one is mango, cactus fruit, and artichoke. And then you're not going to be able to see in this water bottle. This one's fizzing, and it's starting to, you know, what's the word? Evaporate, disintegrate. Perfect. So I like these because they're not too sweet. I'm not really like a pop or a juice kind of girl, so I've been really into these. They're super tiny, easy to pack with you. Like I feel like if you went to the bar and you're getting like drinks, you could pop these in your drinks and it would be really good. But thank you again to Waterdrop for sponsoring this portion of the video. You can check out the link in my description box to shop on Waterdrop or get a discount off. So thank you again. Let's get into the rest of the outfits.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something terrible.